Alright y'all, so we're starting the video off like this with my hair wet because my mom is going to come and braid my hair, and that is the struggles of a black girl who don't know how to braid. I ain't even gonna lie, this lace looks way more clear than some of the wigs that I have bought. This is called the Comfort 3 combs and the adjustable straps. I really don't know what I'm doing. I kind of feel like you put this on first, I think, something like that, but not exactly on. I don't know, I'm gonna just do it. If y'all have any tips, leave them below, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I really want to be cute. I'm gonna start bringing more wigs to my channel. Maybe. Your friend like ever just randomly just text you out the blue, but you're thinking about them. It's just like, yo, I know for a fact the person I'm really thinking about, but me and you haven't spoken. I know you can feel me thinking about you. Like, stop the cap. I know you can feel it. These scissors are trash. And in the back, I guess it's supposed to dangle like that. I'm not too sure, but I guess we just gonna say fuck that shit for that. Like, we just gonna keep it moving. I added another layer to lay the wig down. Yeah, so for the wig, and I'm gonna start with my forehead first, and then I'm gonna do the sides. aesthetic. It's giving you. Different words for that. Okay, period. Okay. Wow, I'm shocked. Shocked. Relax, relax. Okay, hold up. Pause. Y'all see the way that curl just felt like that? Stop playing with me. Get the wig. Get the damn wig. Yeah. I cannot. I feel like I'm gonna do some more cutting, but y'all, I didn't do this side yet. But I keep saying y'all, like, no, for real, no, look. It's giving everything it needs to give. Like, okay. And this brush, get one of these. Don't get the one with the metal combs, because I feel like it's going to take the curls apart too much. I mean, if that's what you want, okay, but me, I just didn't want that, so that's why I got this one. And all I'm doing is just turning the brush as though it's like a curling iron, and then I'm twisting, and then it turns into a curl. Simple. So now, like, just to see if you want to keep the wig without any cuts or any layers to it, you can do that. That's on this side, but I did cut it on this side, and now I kid you not, I really feel like I shouldn't have even cut it. I should have combed it first and then seen how I liked it, and I like it like this a lot, but then at the same time I like this. I feel like the layers is what's going to make those curls pop out even more. Okay, yeah, so a curl did drop, so I'm gonna take my fine iron and I'm going to see what it can do. I know, like it already said, it can take heat, but I mean, for the people who just want to see just a little bit extra in the details, you know. Yeah. It did exactly that. It curled. Okay, let's get into it for real. Like, I am her and she is me. Like, like for real. This wig is so cute. I feel like a straight up Bratz doll. And if you see my bed, the sheets are stripped and stuff because I'm washing my sheets. But stop playing. Don't play with her. I feel like I want to do a little bit more cutting for the bangs so it could be more swooped. But I'm about to go to my mom's house and show her this wig. Like, that's how pressed I feel. Like, what? But yes, y'all. So cute. So cute. Let me tell you something. If I knew I could get these little curls and this look with this wig, I would have never been sleeping on this goddamn wig. Oh my gosh, my eyelashes irritate me. But it don't get no better. It don't get no better than this. Like, it was cheap and it's cute. Which way now? Because I'm getting fine about a minute. But this week.